Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Pamela, and on today's video I actually want to do something very special. I picked something up from, you wouldn't know by this bare box, but this is a special bag unboxing that I'm doing. And if we all know who Melissa is, Mel Soldera, here on YouTube and also on Instagram, she's kind of like the bag guru. She does like bag predictions. She did the Dior bag prediction a few years ago, and obviously I was following her for some time then, and now these bags are selling for thousands, and I got them for like 40 bucks each. Well, they're reselling for thousands, but I got them for like 40 bucks each. So another trend that she has kind of spotted and highlighted some time ago, and she's re-highlighted it again, is inside of this box. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, then keep on watching. So what I have gone and done is just open up the box like so, and I'm so excited. Hashtag Melissa made me do it, Mel made me do it. So the first thing is this just like bubble wrap, and now it is this little just like plastic baggie. I purchased this bag from Tradesy. Tradesy is just a reputable secondhand shop where you can buy vintage high-end items. And I'm just gonna open this up here, and you can see. Oh my god, look at this beauty. This is the Bottega Veneta HOBO bag, and this is in like the stitching pattern. And as you can see, I got it in a dark brown. This is so beautiful. It has just like one or two minor just like little flaws, but other than that, this bag is in like honest pristine condition. It just has minor like little tear here, which is so easily patched, can be patched up easily. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the bag, as you can see, excuse my nails, I have an appointment tomorrow to get it done. The bag has one entrance and exit, and it opens like so, and inside feels like a nice suede, and it has a little sticker that says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy, and it has like the originality certificate on the back. Originality. And it's basically a shoulder bag, and I got this in like the size like medium. And this is so slouchy, like if you just want to go, you just go. As you can see, I just want to throw it on and go, I go. And I'm running. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to use this bag. I actually think I'm going to use it today. Thank you. Hashtag Mel made me do it, Mel made me buy it. I have a few bags that Mel kind of, well, you know, you'll see. But this bag is the Bottega Veneta HOBO bag, and it's in a nice dark brown, and I love it. And yeah. So guys, if you like this video, if you like bag unboxings, bag reveals, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it if you liked, sub if you enjoyed, and comment. Let me know if this bag is in your radar, what bags are on your radar, And if you watch Mel Soldera, if you do, let her know about this video, because Mel, you made me buy 2 bags already, my 3rd bag. Stop it. You are amazing. Please stop. So thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video, my review video on my new Bottega Veneta HOBO bag. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.